This one is something JAMB started this year. JAMB just started this one currently. It hasn't been like that in the other years. Okay, that's why a lot of you have been confused. JAMB has deactivated all third-party access. What does this mean? I want this video to be very short, so let me give you. What it means is that before now you could give somebody money to do certain things for you on the JAMB portal for you. Like somebody could help you to do uploading of your JAMB result, your O-level result, like WAEC, NECO result, and all the rest. Somebody could help you to do. Change of password. Maybe you have email issue, password issue. Somebody could help you check all those things. Somebody could help you print your result and all the rest. But right now, you will need to do them by yourself. Before you could do it on your phone, but right now you must go to a CBT center to do thumb printing. JAMB has deactivated all third-party access. All service on the JAMB CAPS, Central Admission Processing System, portal, now require fingerprint verification. It has not been like this. So, in fact, I know some of you have given people money to do your uploading, checking of this one and this one. It's no longer possible. Okay. This means you must visit an accredited JAMB CBT center for any JAMB CAPS related service. This one you can no longer depend on somebody. There are some people on WhatsApp online that you could give maybe 2,500 to do some things for you. But right now, the only place you can do it is in a JAMB accredited CBT center, computer-based test center. While we understand that this decision may not stand the test of time, we urge everyone to remain. Maybe they may change it, but as of this moment, that is what is required. Meanwhile, the date for the mopup exercise exam is loaded. If you want to rewrite JAMB, right, you want to write the mopup exam, let me know. If you have been having any issue concerning your result, checking of your result, you have not seen your result, you lost your email, any issue at all, or you scored low in your JAMB, just feel free to let us know. But first, you have to join our YouTube channel. Click on join, then most importantly, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Just click on subscribe, then like this video and share this video. Remember what I said, click on join our YouTube channel. Now it's just for a token, so that you can be able to talk directly with me and ask me your question. Then secondly, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Noble Tutorials. Then like this video and share this video. You are free to come under the comment of this video and tell me everything that is worrying you, and I will begin to answer you right now. And there's an important video, very, very important, on the screen. I'm giving it to you free of charge. Click on it and watch now.